Hey y'all, Dick Danger here. Working on the forge because I can't get the damn thing hot enough to get the steel working, moving, whatnot. So that was weird. Out here in the shop, rebuilding the burner on the forge. It's not getting my steel up hot enough. So making a new design, a new template. I'll bring you along for the ride.
So now I lost all my footage of making the mold. Um, I did all the work with the wood and get it all cut and drilled and countersunk and screwed into the form. And it's sheetrock and then plywood underneath that. And I used a countersink and countersunk all the holes in the sheetrock for the straws. And to get the straws in there, I had to use a guide rod. And what I used was from a gun cleaning kit. It was for a 22. It's perfect size. And just take a gun cleaning kit rod and put the straw on top of it and stick it down in there. And it's really easy going through the sheetrock, but once you get in that the plywood, you got to push it down in there. So I did that and made sure that they were all nice and straight. Right. So I mixed up the cement. Cement's a combination of two different refractor cements. I like this blend. It holds together pretty good. And mixed it up to where it's consistency of kind of a grout. If you've ever done brickwork, it's like that. You want it kind of sticky, but just a little wet. And what I did is, you'll see here throughout this video, is I put it all up in there and just multiple times around, stuffing it down in there and using that little door shim to push it down and get up there. And then I used a little, I used a toothbrush, electric toothbrush, sit there and vibrate it real good to make sure it was all down at the bottom. And then I got it to where it's about half an inch from the top of the mold. And then I put in the burner assembly and hammered it down in there then. And you'll see all that in this video that's coming up. So I'll go ahead and stop talking and put on some music. And we'll, when I get done with this, it's going to take about a week to dry. But I'm going to keep working on my forge right now. Even though it doesn't get up there hot enough, it gets it to where I can. Takes me longer, but anyway, have fun.